All right, welcome to episode 2. Remember, each day you're going to update, observe the radar, fronts, temperature, and wind for the United States. So what I'm looking at today is going to be different than what you're looking at because I'm recording this on Friday and you guys are going to be watching this next Thursday. But I'm going to show you, just kind of remind you how to record that. So you're going to click on the underground weather. Let's go to this page. You're going to click on the weather underground link right here. When you do that, okay, it'll take you to this page. You can scroll in and out. So make sure you can see the whole United States since we need to diagram that. And then first one we have on our top left in our packet is going to be the radar. So this is the radar. And then you're going to draw this on your map. So you're going to need some blue and then some green and draw that on your radar map. After you draw that, you're going to want to click on fronts and you're going to draw all of these fronts on your United States maps. Yes, include the letters, the L and then the H's where those are. Again, we're just doing the United States, so you don't need to worry about up here in Canada. Then once you are done with the fronts, then you have the temperature. That's where you need to click on the windy.com and then you're going to get this one. Oops. Ooh, I'm zooming way in there. And then you're going to record some temperatures. Okay, there's a lot of temperatures throughout the United States. So what I want you to do is pick 10. Pick 10 different areas. Don't pick all 10 by one location. So pick 10 different areas in 10 different states and record those same 10 places each of your day. You can pick whichever 10 locations you'd like, but if you will pick 10 and record the temperatures for that. And then wind. You can either use this map or the other map. You kind of notice here when you click on the map, right, when I'm on the temperature, because I clicked the temperature icon over here. When I click an area, it's going to tell me the temperature in that area right there. And then the next one is the wind. You can get the wind direction from this map as well if you'd like, or you can do it from the underground map. Here, remember you can click the wind stream over here and it will show you the direction of the wind. And then you can draw those areas for the wind direction as well. Now down below, patterns observed. Write down some patterns. Again, pay attention to the fronts and the radar. What are some patterns you notice between the wind, radar, and front, between all those maps, and write those patterns down. The local data, you don't need to worry about that. We're not going to do the local data. Now, as you turn to the next page, you get to pick a place in the United States that you want to focus on for the next 6 days. So it can be any location that you want. Now, when you pick that place, you're going to record the same information for that place for 6 days. So say I picked Iowa City. Then on that next page, I would write location. I would write Iowa City. So in my packet, I'm looking where it says episode 2, what causes weather, and it's a graphing chart. It doesn't have the states on it, the United States. And on that, see where it says location at the top left? That's where you're going to write your place. So again, you can pick any place you want. If I picked Iowa City, I would click that. And then I'm going to record what I see, what observations I see on the radar, the fronts, the wind, and the temperature. So right now, the temperature for today, I would put 26 degrees. The wind, I would put that the wind is moving a northwest direction. So the wind's going in northwest direction. And then I need to go over here for the radar. So I'm going to want to focus in, right? Let's zoom in a little bit to my Iowa. There we go, Iowa. And that's where I'm going to put, okay, on radar, right? I see it's clear. I don't see any precipitation going on there. Fronts, there's no fronts there in Iowa. And then I'm going to write down any patterns I observed and prediction for tomorrow's weather. So then I would predict what I think Iowa's weather is going to be tomorrow. And I'm going to do this for 6 days. It won't be 6 days in a row because we have the weekends in between and some parent-teacher conferences and stuff. So we'll kind of have a few gaps between some of our days, and that's okay. All right, for the rest of today, you're going to watch a video on weather and climate. On this video, I'll kind of show you in just a minute what it is you're going to need to do for that. But I wanted to give you this video. You can watch it to kind of help you remember what to do on your what causes weather for the next 6 days.